Hi everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew and I'm the alopecia ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about the wigs from the perspective of someone who deals with hair loss and has worn wigs pretty much daily since around the age of 7 years old. In today's video, I'm really excited to bring you our brand new Noriko wig collection and 3 new wigs that just came out with the new catalog, as well as 2 new colors. Once you see all the wigs, definitely comment below and let us know which one is your favorite, and let us know which of the 2 new colors is your favorite and which one you think you're excited to try out. The first of the 3 wigs from this season's Noriko release is the one I'm wearing right now, which is called Brett in the color Creamy Toffee-R. Now this is a really gorgeous kind of layered pixie cut, super cute, super stylish and high fashion, but also just very easy and practical to wear as well. Short hair like this is always just so easy for styling, and all you have to do is really throw it on, comb through it with your fingers, and you know for sure it's just gonna automatically look good. This is definitely a really cute style for the fall as well. If you live somewhere where it gets a little bit chilly, I think it'll pair really nicely with turtlenecks like the one I'm wearing now. Short hair like this is also really fun to pair with different earrings and different necklaces and other accessories like that. So you definitely have a lot to experiment here with a short style like this. This wig features the Feather Light machine-made cap, which is a really nice lightweight version of the machine-made cap. It just feels so lightweight and comfortable directly on my bald head. I don't even wear wig caps underneath my wigs, and it just feels very, very comfortable. And you still get that nice durability and added volume from the machine-made cap, so it's kind of just like a nice balance of the two. I really like the way this hair moves, especially with the layers. You can kind of comb the bangs more to the front, or you can wear them off to the side. You can kind of brush them off to the other side, so you kind of can style it to your personal preference. I also love wearing a short wig like this with different headbands. It really just gives you so many other styling options depending on what headbands you have, all the different patterns you can choose from, and all you have to do is really just throw it on and it just gives it a whole other type of vibe. So I really like this headband paired with this style. And here is a full 360 of this new wig, Brett. And here's what the inside of the cap looks like. So again, this is the Feather Light machine-made cap, and you also have the adjustable straps at the nape of the neck here and here. The next of the new wigs from the Noriko collection that just came out is this one that I'm wearing now. This one is called Harlow, and this is a new color as well. So this color is champagne silver. It is this really gorgeous, almost like a really light blonde, but it just is such a nice, gorgeous kind of platinum color. Harlow is a really nice medium length wig with just a little bit of a wave at the bottom, some really nice layers going on here, and it just has a really nice density to it. Harlow also features the Feather Light machine-made cap. Here's what Harlow looks like all the way around. Harlow looks fantastic as it is down like this, but you also have a bit more styling flexibility with a longer style. You could also put it behind your ear if you want to pull the bangs back out of your face. I really like these long side bangs that you can either kind of wear forward for a sultry side bang look, or of course you can brush them back, put them behind the ear. You could use a bobby pin, you could use the headband that I used for the previous wig and try that out and just kind of play around with the different styling. Here's that same headband on Harlow. I think that really adds a super cute look. And with headbands, it's such an easy styling option because you can get a whole collection of different styles, and each one will just kind of give it a whole different look. And it will also really help to keep the hair out of your face if you like the look of the longer hair, but you just want to kind of have it pulled back a little bit if you're working on something during the day. Here's what Harlow looks like in a ponytail. Sometimes I like to leave some strands forward just to have those face framing layers in the front. That's a really cute look as well. I also love how Harlow looks in a half ponytail, which is where you just take the top layer of hair and put that into a ponytail. Here's the cap construction for the Harlow wig. It is also the Feather Light machine-made cap. So you have this really nice soft piece of fabric here, and of course the adjustable straps on the nape of the neck. Here's the last of the brand new wigs from the Noriko collection for this season. This one is called Storm in the color Brown Sable, which is also a new color. Storm features these really fantastic layers, as you can see here. Just really awesome cut going on with these wispy bangs. And of course with the bangs you can either kind of have them more to the front or you can brush them to the side as well. Here's what Storm looks like all the way around. I really love this new color as well, which is Brown Sable. It just has this really nice kind of cool toned brown. A little bit of dimension to it. I really love the effect of these layers on this wig. It just gives it such a nice movement and a really nice volume to it as well. Storm also features the Featherlight machine-made cap. Here's the cap construction for Storm. Again, it's the Featherlight machine-made cap. Here's what it looks like on the inside. And then you have the adjustable straps on the back. So those are all of the new wigs from this year's Noriko collection. Again, there were 3 new styles and 2 new colors. Comment below and let us know which one of these wigs was your favorite and which of the new colors is your favorite as well. Which of these do you think you might try out? If you want to learn more about any of these wigs, you can view our entire catalog on our website, reneofparis.com, see all of the different specs of these wigs, and see all of the colors they're available in as well. So if you like any of the wigs that I showed in this video but want to try it in a different color, there's plenty of other options to choose from. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our latest releases and to learn all sorts of fun wig tips and tutorials. And don't forget to give this video a like as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.